Hey guys, Firestratahh here, and we're on the scariest game where it is to me, alright? White noise, but I don't, why am I saying this? Crank it up, Nightmare Matt.
What? No.
Yeah, do it.
No.
Do it.
If I literally shit myself, you're gonna come around my house and lick it up.
Alright.
Right, guys, we thought this was fun last time, hence us streaming. But yeah, we're gonna actually choose a map instead of random this time. So what map are we gonna go for? You know, we've done bunker, so we'll go for some else. What do you want?
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, we're gonna go in that tunnel.
I'm not going to some cave. Oh, okay.
Oh,
You ready?
Matt, actually, just put it on easy. I can't be bothered anymore. That's gonna be scary.
No, put on normal. Right. Next we're gonna this one. Oh shit! No, wrong one. Right, there we go. I pressed the gamer card button, the A button.
I don't think.
Oh yeah, and guys,
really close to my
sorry for not uploading. Yeah, it still hasn't given me Tevez, and I've just been working on a 100 subscriber video. I'm really busy, so I'm sorry for that, but I'll be doing my best to try and upload. But let's get into the game.
Matt, what's this over here? Shut up, Matt.
Oh, there's smoke!
I found one, Matt. Matt, I don't want to go in front, you dickhead. No, I found the tape is on top of that thing. See, you said they were big.
Yeah.
Didn't you?
Hey guys, that noise we hearing?
Shut up.
Sorry, I stopped talking because I heard the thingy. Yeah, that noise we hearing. That wasn't the white noise, that was actually the radio tape.
Yeah. I think there's a fight outside. Some kid just ran into a random garden. Some bloke just ran into a random garden. That's Noel for you, innit? Now he's running back out in the piss like.
Oh no! Oh my god! I saw him!
Where?
Oh, he's over there! Behind you, man!
There he is! Hey you! You want what? You wanna fight me? Run! Just run, Matt! Where are you? He's gonna come get me!
I don't know! I can't run anymore, I'm out of bounds! Dude, turn around!
We're right. What? You say that and then you turn around.
Right, should we actually go and find some more now?
Yeah. We're doing better than last time.
Last time we missed about 4. Ah! He's there!
Where?
He was waiting behind the tree! He's barely behind the tree!
I can't see him.
Wait, he's gone now. Let's go. Wait, is that him? I'll pull him again. He's such a dick. Piss off.
Yeah, white-faced knobhead he is.
He's like, what? I'm gonna come and get you now.
Oh, did you hear that?
What?
It was that.
Yeah, it's me, I just burped. I'm joking. Oh man, I'm too
What,
scared.
You didn't hear that?
Yeah, I heard it then. I heard it just now as well.
Hang on, I need to turn my volume down. It's like really loud. Why did it turn right up? My TV's literally trolling me.
Wait, I can't see anything down there. Go on, let's go.
Hang on. Wait that up.
Oh, I heard that growling noise again.
Did you?
Yeah, I don't know if you heard it in my last video, but the last white noise. I don't want to walk here, man. I'm too scared.
Is that dust? Is that smoke?
No, that's a tree thing. I keep hearing growling and shitting me up. Huh?
It's scarier when none of us is. Where is he?
There! Don't look at him! Run!
Where is he? I couldn't see him, mate.
Come on, tape recorder. He's in a tree.
you?
Go and get that tape recorder. It's on the wall, over there.
Where?
In the rocks. Where'd it go? There it is. Go and get it.
Me?
Yeah!
Come with me. Walk side by side. Come on.
Well,
Matt, why'd you keep walking back? Matt, you're the screamer today, mate.
it's scary, man. If you're, you lead. You lead. I'm
No,
done.
you lead.
I'm done, man. You lead.
No.
Alright, so we're on the road now. Which way? We go left or right?
Penny.
Guys, we've actually got 2 tapes this time. Why am I leading
Yeah.
again?
Just lead.
Ah! He's there!
You don't even run. You just like clip clop on the floor.
You lead, man. I was scared.
Oh, I heard that growling.
You haven't seen him once. Ah! He's behind us!
Is he?
Yeah!
Mate, I hadn't saw him. I've only saw him once. That was that once, and you keep seeing him everywhere.
Can you lead, please? Ah! He's behind us! Run!
Is he?
Yes! He is, okay? Just don't look behind you.
Just did. Matt, is your light flickering?
Yes.
Mine is. What?
I saw it!
Run!
Oh.
Ah.
Oh. You're going in that door.
Where is it?
Next to
Oh,
us.
shit. Can you open it? Oh
It's
no.
already open.
Matt, we walk in together. What was that? Holy shit!
No!
Holy crap!
Oh.
Matt, I didn't even get white noise! All I heard was, you go.
Oh my god!
That was
Oh.
scary.
Oh. Right,
Oh.
guys, thanks for watching. We'll definitely be doing more of this, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you smash that like button. Reed, do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye guys. We done better than last time, come on, alright? We're probably gonna get some hate in school saying we missed like 5 tapes. But, until then, see you later.